Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you all the slimes that will be in my first restock from my rebrand. So all these slimes that you will see in this video will be available on my Etsy shop tomorrow at 2 p.m. EST. So this first slime is called Pina Colada Italian Ice, and it's a two-toned icy slime, and you get to add these little fake sprinkles, glitters, and this little pineapple charm on the top. So this slime features my customer favorite icy texture. So it's sizzly, not too wet, and it's just really poofy and flating, and it's just like the best icy slime you've ever felt. It's perfect. The colors also will not mix during shipping. I actually was letting this one sit for a week, and that's the maximum time it could arrive. So yeah, it doesn't mix. It's also scented just like an Italian ice, so I don't really know how to explain that, but yeah, it does smell like an Italian ice. So the second slime I'm showing you guys is a triple layered slime with clay on the top, swirled so it's really pretty, and then the layer underneath that is a really nice dry icy slime, and then the bottom layer is a jelly slime. So it mixes into a dry icy slime, which is a texture I've never tried before this, and I actually really like it. It's really sizzly and flating, but it also doesn't leave that wet residue on your hand. So yeah, it's really nice, and it's probably the most vibrant slime you can get. And it's also scented just like grapefruit. So this next slime is called Cookie Dough Ice Cream, and it's another DIY clay slime. It looks like you just got a pint of ice cream, but it's slime and you get to mix it. So the clay is swirled with this cloud dough slime, and I think this just makes it really like an ice cream texture. I feel like that's the texture it would be if it was slime. And it's also scented like vanilla ice cream, and this is literally the best scent ever. I mixed 2 scents and it turned into this amazing scent. It smells so good. You guys have to try this on the scent alone, okay? And it also has these little foam chunks to look like chocolate chips. I also want to say that all the slimes will be from $8 to $10, so that's really cheap for these amazing slimes, and I hope you guys all enjoy these prices. Again, I will not be restocking after this rebrand, and the shipping will also be cheaper. Anyway, the texture is just really soothing and really squishy, and I love it so much. So the next slime is called Rainbow Oreo, and it's a really nice slime. So the base slime is a cloud cream slime that is scented like if you took like the cream in an Oreo and you added like fruity notes. I feel like that's what it would smell like. And then the clay just looks like a Oreo with the cream kind of like swirled with rainbow. So I really love this slime. It mixes into a really creamy, soft, and stretchy slime, but it's also thick and holdable. So I think this is the perfect texture for ASMR and for like relaxing yourself. The next slime is called yogurt because it literally smells like yogurt, like a coconut or vanilla yogurt. And the base is a really thick and chewy slime. And then you get to mix in these really nice berries. So they look like berries, they're clay though. So this is another DIY clay slime. And it mixes into a really poofy and sizzly slime. I feel like this is just like the texture of a marshmallow if it was slime. So if you purchase this slime, you'll get like 2 raspberry clays, and then you'll get 2 or 3 little blueberries. This slime is called Galaxy Loops, and it has crushed up foam, purple foam beads, and these little chunks that look like cereal, but it's foam, and it's really crunchy. It's just the perfect crunchy slime. This texture makes amazing bubble pops, and yeah, it's scented like cherry, and I feel like this texture is perfect for anyone who just loves crunchy slimes. This slime is called Wild's Cherry Limeade, and it's a really nice snow fizz slime, and you get to mix in this little green thick slime with green foam beads, and then the base is just a snow fizz slime packed with crunchy fake snow, and then it comes with these fake sprinkles that are all the colors of my logo, green, pink, and white. So yeah, this is just a perfect slime for anyone who knows me or has been like following me for a while, because I feel like it's very signature for me. It's also just super crunchy, super sizzly, makes amazing bubble pops, and it's still stretchy, but it's thick and holdable. And then it's just scented exactly like a cherry limeade. So the last slime here is called Fruit Juice, and I actually wasn't able to have a video of it besides this little Instagram post. You can check it out on my Instagram, link it down below. But yeah, it's just a really nice jelly slime with fake sprinkles and Fimo slices, and it's scented just like fruit juice. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you can purchase tomorrow at 2 p.m. EST. So it'll be in my Etsy. I'll link that down below too. I spent so long trying to make these slimes, so it would mean the world to me if you guys would purchase. And then definitely check out my Instagram if you want to know all the deals and all of that kind of stuff. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!